Ayun, tinawag, puro bulaklak na agad, Eric.
Saan? All vehicle. Sabi ko sa'yo. Napunta ko dito yan. Dito ka ng ano, baliw ka. Sa ako ba makikipag-usap? Hello!
Hi guys, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
For four, please.
Alright. It's going to be $166,
Okay,
please.
sorry, 1 second.
Ayaw ng director natin, video
You
mo
guys the
naman.
map there.
Okay. What time do you close today?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock? Well, that's good. Ano, may kailangan.
Masabi lang din.
Parang meron kayo exposure. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm parking stuff on the right.
Kami rin, hindi rin ganun karami. Diyan pa kami nag-inom ng tubig, sobrang ahog-ahog.
Kasi sa summer, pag summer talaga marami tao dito.
Pag may ano ka, pag may sakit ka sa ano, yung mga hatching, parang kay Bobo, mahirapan dito.
Ay, yung mga ano.
Tayong bulaklak dito, puro bulaklak dito eh.
Tandaan
May
niyo.
elepante pa nga dito eh, manok.
Hello guys, test mic. Ang hirap pala ng may microphone kasi kailangan mong i-check. Nagkaroon po tayo ng technical difficulties a while ago. Ulit na naman tayo sa spiel natin. As I was saying, we are here at Butchart Garden. This is our second time around with our barkada. Yes, our family. Andun no, sa likod. So naglalakad tayo ngayon papasok. And it's a hot day. Hot day, it's 29-30 degrees Celsius. So let's join us to see. Let's join us. Let's
Please check my outfit check.
Mag-outfit check daw po to. Ano po ang top niya is, meron pa siyang, may couch po siya.
Hollister. Champion. Meron akong couch.
Meron siyang couch.
Haban.
Wow.
And then,
Apple Watch.
Mayaman yun.
Shades from?
Shades from Dalarama.
Timo.
Timo. Thanks, Timo. So guys, we're about to enter. Enter the garden. Yeah, enter the garden. Daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Lahat ng tao dito iba-ibang klase.
Hi guys, it's me again. Paulit-ulit, di ba? Kakainis lang. Kasi guys, pasok tayo dito. Ano po, marami tayong technical difficulties.
Sa ating
Sa
microphone.
microphone, nagkakaroon tayong problema. So ngayon, ulit na naman tayo from the top. But nevertheless, nandito tayo sa Butchart Garden, Victoria, BC, Vancouver Island. Ay, alam ko yung mga information na yan.
Complete.
Brainy!
Ayun, dalawa.
Ayan.
Yeah, this is from my first time.
I know.
ito, okay ka eh.
Picture lang kayo.
Hawakan mo yung bulaklak.
Ayan.
Hawakan mo yung bulaklak.
Naman na naglag ka. Nasin lang ka dahan-dahan.
I-DIY na lang natin kasi para sa tayo
Oo.
DIY.
DIY.
Talaga to kahit tatlong.
Papalabas ko talaga to sa
Kailangan.
Tatlong beses.
Tayo. Kasawa ka na yung pinakamalapit.
Ipapalabas ko talaga to sa big screen. Yung mga bloopers.
Kaya rin ako kawakan. Dito. Tapos kainin mo to, kainin mo. Kainin mo. Yan, Nox. Yan ako kainin.
Wala pa tayo sa exciting part.
Wala tayo sa exciting part.
T-shirt kaya tayo dyan.
Oo, dito oh. Ganda.
Doon, pang-prenup na natin yun.
Gagawa sila ng prenup kasi mapapakasal daw sila.
Kukumpanya lang namin.
Eh, nagtitipid sila. Budget wedding daw ang ano nila. Goal nila. Pwede pumasok sa loob?
The dining room restaurant din eh.
Ah, okay.
Dito lang.
The Sunken Garden.
The Sunken Garden.
Sana ganito lahat ng nadaan natin. Oh.
Marami.
Ganda. Enchanted Forest.
Enchanted Forest.
Sige ka muna video ko dyan.
So, this is the famous Sunken Garden dito sa Butchart Garden. And see? Last time nandito kami parang puro tulips yan, no?
Tulips, oh. Tapos yung gitna, ano siya, cherry blossom, no?
Oo. Thank you. So, every season, iba talaga yung flowers niya. See? Sunken Garden. Why is it called Sunken Garden? Kasi nandito tayo sa taas. Yung garden nasa baba. That's why you call it Sunken Garden. Ah, brainy na naman!
Ano masasabi mo first time mo dito?
No, ang dami bilaklak.
Napakaganda ng comment mo. Yan ang pinakamagandang comment na narinig namin dito.
Ang haba yung legs mo. Parang EDSA. Yeah.
Gusto mo ang gandi.
Lagi perdible.
Tinalo mo si Kelly. Ikaw naman to.
Tapos itakin mo na rin ganyan. Ay, parang bagay sa...
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave.
Hey guys, we're still alive and kicking.
With this
Napakainit.
raging heat.
Yan, napakainit po.
Super po.
Napakainit. Super.
Super po. Init.
Hindi naman sa nagre-reklamo pero sort of nagre-reklamo na talaga. But nevertheless, flowers are very good. Look. They're so beautiful. Kukuha ko ng mga video ko for my TikTok.
Ano pangalan to?
Bethesda.
Saan? New York?
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide. We were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. Just gonna cry when you're gone.
Lagi pa pre-inip eh, parang
Hindi ako kawin.
pwede barkada-barkada muna tayo.
Hindi, pag niyarka-barkata kaya mo naman.
Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're
We're still here. Nandito tayo ngayon sa... Oh, masyadong ma-close up. Makita yung mga ano ko. Nandito tayo sa...
The Rose Garden.
Rose Garden. Look at this. Ito yung sweet peas. Oh, ang bango nito.
No.
Oh, ang bango. Tingnan mo, amoy mo. Sweet peas.
Ayun.
Diba?
Ito ba yung naamoy ko na parang patay?
No, that's... I'm gonna video this.
Sweet peas.
Ginagawang perfume yun eh.
Perfume?
Perfume.
Ito yung ano dati, oh. Yung ano, oh.
Oh, ito yung ano, cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Ang ganito pala yung tsura niya.
Ang bango, ayun, oh. Ang bango.
Japanese and Rose Garden. Beautiful. So pretty. Diba ang daming roses? Iba-ibang klase, oh.
Laki.
Different variety.
Laki naman ang rose to.
Ang daming roses.
Kahit ito ang pangalan.
I-cinematic mo kaya?
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Buwan sa dito.
City lights looking fine.
Ayun, Japanese Gardens.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
Nasaktuhan
what
yung
I do when I'm
walang tao.
Ayun yun. Doon tayo sa may garden. Japanese.
Sabi mo kasi, wag mo kasi sabihin kung saan tayo pupunta.
Mapunta kasi sila.
Oh, hi. Ito mga ito.
Pag narinig nila dun tayo.
Sila na, maganda daw doon, maganda daw doon.
Kung saan kami nagpupunta, nandun din yung mga tao. So, ngayon...
May fountain, wala pa tayong talon sa fountain.
Oh, sige, dito
Ay,
tayo.
parang bago to. Oh, hindi. Bago ba yan?
Hindi, koi yan, koi.
Masarap dito sa Japanese Garden. Malilim. Ayusin mo yan. May gagamitin natin.
When we don't feel the same,
Japanese
we've come a
Garden.
long way. Don't ever let it change. No
Parang Takeshi Castle.
Yung may lulubog na isa.
Oo.
no matter where
Saan na yung labasan?
Ito yan, yung ano na.
Ayan yung magbaboki.
as long
Ayaw
as
nga.
I got you, I'm not letting it fade.
Talagang butas-binutas talaga.
Don't go looking for reasons.
Ikaw yung unang-una. Dito, test lagi mo yung day.
Turista yan, oh. Ito. The Butchart Garden. Oh, Parks View.
เสียดายมากแบบชิ้นไปหน่อยแล้วก็แบบเคยขอบเลย
จริงๆเขาควรจะแบบ first เป็นอะไร
มันน่าจะเป็นเมเจอร์
Yeah.
เรียกว่าคือเอา